and we have got a sales manager special that we want to introduce to you.
We are offering this 28, 64, 28 wide, 64 long, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. It's on special today for how much?
$159,900. $159,900. This house typically sells for $179,900. So if you are interested in saving a ton of money, you need to come see us ASAP, because it is not going to last very long at this price.
This house comes with all of the appliances. It comes with a 5-year warranty on your electrical, your plumbing, your hot water heater, your
AC unit,
air conditioning, 5-year warranty, which is great. And come down the hall right here. Again, it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. I sell a lot of these homes to people that have like older teenagers with younger kids, or parents that are coming to live with them. So this is a bedroom that has a restroom already in here, so the parents or the teenager can have their own bathroom, their own private little, hideout. Shindig, and a closet right here. We're gonna come down the hall, and then there's 2 other rooms right here, nice size rooms, vents are in the ceiling, big closets, and a restroom in the middle. So the kids can come out, and there's tons of room right here. And then this way, right here, is our utility room, laundry room, washer and dryer, and then there's also room for a freezer, stand-up freezer, some storage, lots of room, back door, light and bright.
This side door is great for people who want to put a garage or a carport on the side of the home. With the side door, hold on, backing up.
Back it up, Crystal.
All right, Regina, show me that master.
All right, the master bedroom is on the other side of the house. So you have a split floor plan here. So this one, I love this bedroom because you've got windows on both sides. So for those people that like a lot of natural light in your home, this is a wonderful house for that. The master bathroom, apologies. You've got double vanities. Check these out. These are porcelain sinks, none of that fake plastic sinks here. You also have a water closet for the commode. Super important. Lots of privacy. Good size closet. And then check out this shower. For women who like that spa, you've got sprayers here, here, and here. It does stretch. So, guys, if you're into that, let her have the water here. You're not going to be standing back here getting cold. You've got your own sprayer. All right?
Okay. We also have the blinds are also already installed in your house, so no worries. Everything is ready to go. Move in ready. Double pane windows. I'll show you how they open. Let's do this. I know Kat did this yesterday. I love doing this. And then you can wash them.
You break your bite.
Okay, we got it. Again, it's a Benbrook 2864. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, farmhouse sink, and it's ready to go. So this is the last one here on our lot. How much is it?
$159,900.
$159,900. Come see us. Come see Regina or I, Susan Torsha, and we would love to help you.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.